In the 21st century, businesses have one thing in common. They create a never-ending stream of digital data. TLC Engineering for Architecture, headquartered in Florida, uses complex 3D workstations to design everything from tower blocks to airports. These huge digital drawings are the lifeblood of the company.
Frequently, we will have clients come back and say, remember that building that we designed 10 years ago? We're going to expand that building. And so we have a need to go back to those original drawing files.
Massive data growth increases complexity, risk of data loss, and management burden. This data must be stored, managed, and protected to meet rigorous compliance requirements while remaining cost-effective. This growing volume of data must be backed up on a daily basis. Historically, this archive and backup process was done using tape.
Our tape strategy was to do a full tape backup every single night, Monday through Friday, whether the data had changed or not.
Backing up files to tape was a painstaking and lengthy process, and if there was data loss, recovery was even worse.
I've seen the restore process take anywhere from an hour or two up to a week, 2 weeks sometimes, depending on where the tape physically is located.
Data volumes are increasing while the time to back up and restore is shrinking. But this situation is a worry of the past, thanks to NEC. NEC has created a revolutionary grid storage platform known as HYDRAstor. It is the first unified disk storage architecture optimized for backup and archive data on the same platform. And it changes traditional backup and archiving storage rules, resolving the fundamental challenges of complexity and performance. Traditionally, companies have wasted massive storage space by backing up and archiving redundant data files day after day. HYDRAstor solves this problem by cutting the backup, restore and archive time in half and reducing storage capacity requirements by 95% or more. It does this through a patent-pending NEC technology called Data Redux, which eliminates duplicate data within and across multiple data streams. Change just one chart in an existing file? HYDRAstor stores only that one change. Sending an email to 3,000 employees, HYDRAstor stores that email just once. With Data Redux, 20 terabytes worth of data can now fit on 1 terabyte of physical storage space. To a company like TLC, HYDRAstor changes everything.
We have 5 racks of equipment, and we could basically condense that down into half of a rack of equipment using the HYDRAstor. So our footprint definitely decreases, and that has an impact on real estate, air conditioning within the data center, heating, electrical power requirements, so on.
Backed by the innovation and reliability of NEC, HYDRAstor is leading data backup and archive into the new century.
HYDRAstor is truly a next-generation technology because here for the first time they see a single vendor that is really stepping up to the plate to address the bigger IT challenges, which are around complexity, productivity, and costs.
Orchestrating a brighter world, NEC.